Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English on the Way, the fun and easy way to learn English. I'm Charles.
Hello, Charles. Hi, everyone. I am so excited for our chat today because we are talking about something very important.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. So many learners want to speak English better, but they tell us they have nobody to practice with.
I know, right? My friend called me yesterday and said, Rachel, how can I practice speaking? I live alone.
That is such a common problem, and I always tell people you do not need a partner to start speaking.
Exactly. You can actually practice by yourself, right in your own home. It is super easy and it really works.
For sure. When you practice alone, there is no pressure. You can make mistakes and nobody is listening.
Yes, that is the best part. You can just relax. So how do we start? What is the first step, Charles?
Well, my favorite way to start is talking to yourself about your daily routine. Just describe what you are doing.
Oh, like speaking your actions out loud? For example, saying, I am making coffee right now?
Yep, totally. Just simple sentences like, I am opening the door, or I am washing the dishes.
I love that. I actually do that when I'm cooking. I say, now I am cutting the onions.
See, that's perfect. It helps your brain connect English words to real actions in your life.
And what if I don't know the word for something? Like, what if I forget how to say spoon?
That's okay. Just skip it or use another word. Remember, step by step. Don't worry about being perfect.
Exactly. You just need to keep the words flowing. Even 2 or 3 words together is a great start.
Absolutely. Another great trick is to use a mirror. Stand in front of your bathroom mirror and just say hello.
Oh, yeah. Looking at yourself while you speak feels funny at first, but it really builds your confidence.
It really does. You can look at your own smile and say, good morning. Today is going to be a great day.
That is such a positive way to start the morning. You practice English and you give yourself a little pep talk too.
Right? It changes your mindset. You start to believe in yourself, and that is when real progress happens.
Definitely. But Charles, what if someone feels silly talking to a mirror? Is there another way to practice alone?
Oh, for sure. How about reading out loud? You can take a simple English book or even a short website article.
Instead of reading silently in your head, you use your voice. That helps your mouth practice the sounds.
Yes, exactly. English sounds different when you speak it out loud. Your mouth muscles need a little workout.
A mouth workout. I like that. It's like going to the gym, but for your tongue and lips.
Totally. And start with something easy. Read a short story or even a simple recipe. Just 5 minutes a day.
5 minutes is so manageable. Anyone can find 5 minutes, even on a very busy day.
And if you find a hard word, don't stop. Just try to say it and keep going. Never give up on the paragraph.
Right. The goal is just to practice the flow of the language. It feels so good when you finish a whole page.
Oh, and Rachel, do you remember that technique with the smartphone? The one we talked about last week?
Oh yeah, using your voice recorder. That is such a powerful tool for learners. I love that one.
Me too. Almost everyone has a phone with a voice recorder. You just press record and speak for 30 seconds.
And what should they say into the phone? Just anything? Like what they ate for lunch?
Yes, exactly that. Today I ate a sandwich. It was very good. Simple sentences are the best.
That is so easy. Then you listen to your own voice. It may feel a little strange at first, right?
Yep. Everyone thinks their own voice sounds strange on a recording. But listening helps you notice your own pronunciation.
Totally. You can hear yourself and say, oh, I spoke very clearly there. It helps you celebrate your small wins.
And celebrating small wins is so important. Every single word you speak brings you closer to your goal.
I agree 100%. Hey, since we are talking about small daily habits, let's remind our wonderful friends about a quick habit they can do right now.
Yes. If you are enjoying our conversation today, please take a second to like this video and subscribe to our channel.
Absolutely. And share this episode with a friend who is learning English too. We love growing our English on the Way family.
And we really want to hear from you. Leave us a comment below and tell us, do you ever practice speaking English out loud by yourself?
Yes, tell us your favorite way to practice. Do you talk to the mirror or sing in the shower? Let us know.
Singing in the shower. That is actually another fantastic tip, Rachel. Music makes learning so much fun.
Oh, for sure. When you sing along to an English song, you don't even feel like you are studying.
Exactly. You just catch the rhythm of the language. It helps with your pronunciation and your speed, too.
But Charles, let's talk about the fear of making mistakes. Sometimes, even when people are alone, they worry about saying the wrong grammar.
That is a very real feeling. But we have to remember, grammar rules can wait when you are practicing speaking fluency.
Right. The most important thing is just getting the words out of your mouth. Don't let fear freeze your voice.
Yes, when you practice alone, your bedroom is a safe zone. No mistakes can hurt you there.
A safe zone. I love that. You can say the wrong verb tense 10 times, and the walls won't laugh at you.
Exactly. You just correct yourself gently and try again. That is how we learn. Trial and error, step by step.
You know what else helps? Answering hypothetical questions, like having a pretend interview with yourself.
Oh yeah, I used to do that when I was learning Spanish. I would pretend someone was asking me about my favorite movie.
Yes, you can ask yourself, "What is your favorite movie, Rachel?" And then I answer, "My favorite movie is Toy Story."
That is brilliant. You play both parts of the conversation. You are the interviewer and the guest.
Totally. It forces your brain to think of questions and answers, and it is actually really fun to do while walking.
Walking and talking is great. Just putting on headphones, making it look like you are on a phone call.
Oh, that is so smart. People on the street will just think you're chatting with a friend on the phone.
Right? Nobody knows you're actually practicing your English grammar. It's our little secret.
That takes away all the shyness. You can just walk in the park and describe the trees and the birds out loud.
Absolutely. You see a dog and you say, "That is a big brown dog. He is running very fast."
Simple observations. It connects the English language to the real, beautiful world around you.
Yes, and as you do this every day, your vocabulary starts to grow naturally. You won't need to memorize boring lists.
Why is that? Why does speaking about our real life help us remember words better than reading a list?
Because it has emotion and context. When you use a word to describe your own life, your brain saves it forever.
Exactly. It becomes your word. It is not just a word in a textbook anymore. That is a huge mindset shift.
It really is. You stop acting like a passive student and you start acting like an active English speaker.
Oh, I love that distinction. An active speaker uses whatever words they have, right now, today.
Right. You don't wait until you are perfect to start speaking. You speak today so you can become better tomorrow.
Yes, step by step, word by word. Even 5 minutes of talking to your coffee cup makes a difference.
Hey, coffee cups are great listeners. They never interrupt you, and they keep you warm.
For sure. So, we have talked about so many fun, creative ways to practice speaking without a partner today.
We really did. Let's do a quick recap of these easy tips so our friends can try them out today.
Great idea. First, we talked about speaking your actions out loud, like describing your daily routine while cooking or cleaning.
Yep. Second, use your bathroom mirror. Look at yourself, smile, and say a few positive sentences every morning.
Third, read a short story or article out loud for just 5 minutes a day to give your mouth a little workout.
Fourth, use your phone's voice recorder. Record 30 seconds of speaking and listen back to celebrate your progress.
And finally, sing English songs in the shower or have pretend conversations with yourself while walking in the park.
Such powerful, simple tips. If you do just one of these every day, your speaking confidence will grow so fast.
Absolutely. Now let's show everyone how they can talk about these tips in real life. It is time for our practice conversation.
Awesome. Let's imagine we are two friends chatting about how we practice English at home. I will start.
Sounds great, Charles. Let's do it.
Hey, Rachel, you sound so confident in English lately. How are you practicing?
Oh, thank you, Charles. Actually, I practice by myself every morning. I talk to my mirror.
Really? You talk to the mirror? What do you say to yourself?
I just say simple things like, "Good morning. I am brushing my teeth. Today is a busy day."
That is such a great idea. Do you ever feel silly doing that?
At first, yes. But now I really enjoy it. It is my safe zone, so I don't worry about mistakes.
I love that. I want to practice more too, but I'm always so busy with work.
You can practice while doing chores. When you wash dishes, just describe what you are doing out loud.
Oh yeah, I can say, I am washing a big plate. Now I'm drying the cup. That is so easy.
Exactly. Step by step, Charles. Just 5 minutes a day will help your fluency so much.
I am going to try the voice recorder app on my phone today too. Thanks for the great tips, Rachel.
You're so welcome. Just believe in yourself and have fun with it.
And that's our practice conversation. See how simple and natural that was, everyone?
Yes, you can use those exact phrases when you talk to yourself or when you leave us a comment below.
Absolutely. We are so proud of how hard you are all working on your English journey. You are doing amazing.
Yes, you really are. Please remember to subscribe to English on the Way, like this video, and share it with your friends.
Keep learning, keep speaking out loud, and remember, you can do it.
Bye, everyone. Have a wonderful day of practicing.
See you next time, friends. Bye-bye.